Hello all, welcome back to Trinity Software. In this video, let's see how to convert a Python list to JSON. This can be done easily within just 2 or 3 lines of code. First, we need to import JSON module. Then, we have to mention the list that must be converted to a JSON format. So, the list may contain numbers, string and floating point numbers. Okay, now I am just going to convert this to JSON string. So, you can convert any Python object to a JSON string using json.dumps method, which takes this list L1 as an argument. So, that's it. So, this is a JSON string which we have converted. Store this in a variable and print the S1 as well as type of S1. So, this should return string because it's a JSON string. It belongs to class str. Okay, similarly, you can convert a list of list to a JSON string format. So, here I am going to pass a list of list. The first list contains the products and the second list contains a price. Okay, so now we can just print S1 alone. So we got this JSON string. You can specify the indentation as a second argument, indent equal to 4. We got the output in this format. Now you can use json.dump method for writing this to a JSON file. You can create your own JSON file and place this content. Let me open a JSON file, test.json in write mode as F. Okay, now let me use json.dump method. It takes 2 arguments, the list or the Python object that needs to be converted, and the second argument is the file object. Okay, after executing, take the location. So here test.json file is created. You can open it with any editor, either Notepad or some other editor. I will open it with Sublime Text. So here we got in test.json file. Okay. Similarly, you can also convert a list of dictionaries to a JSON file as well as to a JSON string. This is the first dictionary, second dictionary and third dictionary. So this is a list of dictionary. I will give an indentation as 8 and store this data in test1.json. Okay. So this is printed with an indentation of 8, and let's check this test1.json file. So it contains this. So that's it about converting a list to JSON using Python. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, kindly share and subscribe.